morning, everybody. On behalf of MSC Industrial Supply Company, I want to welcome you to our virtual Manufacturing Day event. My name is Kim Shacklett, and I'm the Vice President of Customer Care for MSC. For those of you less familiar with MSC, we are one of the leading distributors of metalworking and maintenance, repair, and operations industrial supplies in North America. Each and every day, we help thousands of our manufacturers solve their mission-critical challenges on the plant floor through the talent and expertise that our associates have to offer. We're always looking to attract smart, talented, and skilled people like each of you. That's why Manufacturing Day and your participation today is so very important to all of us at MSC and to our manufacturing partners joining us today. Today's event has been made possible with the support of several of our partners, which represent some of the top brands in manufacturing. Let's start with Stanley Black and Decker, which is one of MSC's top suppliers. Stanley Black and Decker is a leading $14.5 billion global diversified industrial manufacturer with 56,000 employees in more than 60 countries. They operate the world's largest tools and storage business, the second largest commercial electronic security company, and they are a global industrial leader of highly engineered solutions. Another MSC supplier, Flex Machine Tools, joins us today as well. Flex Machine Tools specializes in machine tools including tapping, assembly, drills, mills, and so much more. Mitutoyo is a multinational corporation specializing in measuring instruments and metrology, and they join us today as well. Additionally, we are joined by Tony Schmitz from America's Cutting Edge, also known as ACE, who offers free CNC training to students online. Finally, representatives from the U.S. Department of Energy's Oak Ridge National Laboratory will join us. Together, we are doing some big, exciting things to advance manufacturing in the United States, and you're really going to enjoy hearing more from them. As with MSC, each of these organizations offers exciting career opportunities, and I highly recommend you check out the career pages on their websites. We've got a high-energy, fast-paced day planned for you. Over the next 4.5 hours, these sessions you'll be involved with will cover 3 key themes. The first is innovation. You'll learn that some of the best innovation taking place today is in the manufacturing sector. The second theme you'll note is sustainability. There is no doubt you already know about sustainability and that it's likely to be as important to you as it is to MSC and all of our key stakeholders. Today, we'll highlight some of the innovations that MSC and some of our supplier partners are driving to reduce the collective impact on the environment while making our customers more efficient. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, we'll share information about the exciting and broad range of high-paying careers available to you in manufacturing and distribution. I think you'll find that these opportunities are special in that you'll be able to make a long-lasting impact on your organization, your community, your country, and without exaggeration, the world. On that front, I'd like to quickly share a few personal thoughts about my personal career experiences, with the hope that they might encourage you to consider a career with MSC, one of our partners, or in manufacturing. I am incredibly passionate about manufacturing and metalworking, and I've been around the shop floors for more than 30 years. I graduated from Central Michigan University with a degree in business, but a vast majority of my education has been through hands-on learning. I initially worked in my father's shop before joining J&L Industrial Supply, a distributor that MSC later acquired. I've had the opportunity to get involved with a lot of different aspects of MSC's business. For example, driving MSC's vending strategy and program, and applying technology to help our customers better manage their inventories. I've also learned a ton in leading our metalworking business with annual revenue in excess of $1 billion. And most recently, leading our customer care operations, who interact and support thousands of manufacturing customers each day, problem solving and assisting them with their supply chain needs. Along the way, through dozens of initiatives and projects, I have been fortunate enough to work with hundreds of smart, highly talented people, and that has been incredibly gratifying. I share all of this with you to say that when I started my career, I never could have imagined that I would have had the opportunity to get involved with so many aspects of a company's strategy and operations that help to drive productivity, innovation, and sustainability for manufacturing customers. This variety has made it both challenging, interesting, rewarding, and super fun. The key takeaway I hope you are all hearing is that in your career in industrial distribution, it plays a critical role in the success of our customers' business and the millions of customers around the world who consume their products. I will leave you with a few words of encouragement. As you participate today and contemplate your individual careers, try to visualize where you personally would want to plug into manufacturing. There are many incredible opportunities available to you, and you can take your career in any direction you'd like based on your interests and all of the unique skills you have. I think you'll find that our program today will offer a number of potential exciting options to consider. So thanks again for your participation, and I hope it's a powerful and informative day for you. Thank you.